What is up, YouTube, and welcome to episode 83 of the Chaos Daily. We've got an exciting day today. It's going to be super short, but exciting. We are going outside. So I need to go to a local engineering manufacturing machine shop place and see if they have a piece of metal for me. I need a piece of metal and I need 2 bolts. So let's go.
Bye-bye.
Whew, man, it is hot outside. Oh my God, I knew there was a reason why I never leave the house. Beautiful, yes, but so damn hot. Oh my God, it's like hot out there. Yeah, okay, anyways, let's get to work.
Let's start slow.
Okay, so here's the deal. This was so much cheaper than I expected. I mean, I've been looking on Alibaba for metal and bits of metal and bolts. It's expensive. It cost me $36 for a piece of metal that's too large for the thing I need, or they're too small. I just needed like 100 by 250. So we went there to the machine shop, and they had this lovely piece of 5mm plate. It's 110mm by 250. It cost me $11 versus the $36, $40 something I would have to buy for a piece of plate on Alibaba. And then because it's a machine shop, they had this like little shop attached to it where you can get old bolts, fittings, like, oh, I was in heaven. It was a kid in candy shop. They had all sorts of weird and cool stuff in there. But the bolts, yeah, they were like $1 each or something. All up, it was $13 for the bits that I need to get this together. So all I need now is another piece of, it's a block of plastic that'll go underneath this plate, and that'll have the recess for the head of the bolt. So we'll drill a hole in this plate for the bolt where this will attach in there like that. And then the recess will let it all sit flush on the table and look pretty. So yeah, we'll leave it there for today's episode. I'll keep it super short. Tomorrow I will get into actually doing the drilling and cutting and stuff. Actually, what I'll be doing is doing that now, but I want to go record this episode and get that out to you so you can see what I'm doing. And then I will get straight to work on that. Record that today, edit that tonight, and have that scheduled for a thing. Because I'm getting behind on the episodes. If you've noticed, they're just getting later and later. I'm almost a day late now. It's kind of sad. So yeah, we're going to have like 2 short episodes in a row tomorrow, so that I can catch up and get ahead of myself because I'm getting behind. Anyway, so yeah, we'll leave it there. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe. If you're not, go check out my other channel. Let me know that you're interested in that stuff coming there soon. I have an idea for something. You'll see. As always, I'm Chaos, and until next time, expect the unexpected, and I will see you guys later.
And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.